Sushmita, we'll keep it with IT, where India's IT industry is bouncing back from recession-driven blues and hiring is on in full steam. But suddenly, the focus seems to be shifting towards creating deeper markets back home, finds Nitya Balakrishna.
After possibly the worst performance in over a decade, India's IT industry is bouncing back. The industry has grown at 20% in the first half of this year, but companies are finding it difficult to retain talent. So the only way for IT companies to grow is to hire people aggressively.
Fairly large pipeline is getting built, so that's great news. And more importantly, it's not only direct employment, it's also indirect employment. So you would probably see downstream construction activity, transport, and everything else that comes into our sector also seeing a boom.
The mantra this time around is a little different. Major IT firms believe that penetration of technology across the country is very low. 93% of today's demand for hardware and software comes from the 6 Indian metros, and this is just not sustainable.
The way we look at it is that the PC penetration is low from a consumer point of view. The PC adoption is low from a small business point of view. It's also a lot to do with awareness. So our outreach program in terms of meeting the customer requirements is not concentrated on metros. We are present close to about 100 plus cities today.
We are already seeing acceptance by customers and also by companies to go to tier 2, tier 3 towns, and connectivity is making it easier.
So far, most IT companies in India have catered to clients that are overseas. But as the West slows and India grows, they're shifting focus inwards. It's good news for job aspirants as hiring in the IT sector is all set to reach record highs in the coming year. And it seems that eyes are on smaller cities like Mangalore, Mysore, Kochi and Hubli for the forthcoming hubs. Talks of similar centers across the north of India is also being considered, but for now, it targets tier 2 down south. Nitya Balakrishnan, ET Now, New Delhi.